Bismillah ar-Rahman rahim. I'm doing this question. This is a June. It is in the past paper of June 2008. Let me check again. I can confirm from there. So yes, June 9. Sorry, June 9, paper one. June 9. So this is a question of June 9. I'm going to start now. June 2009. Okay, paper one. Topic is circular measure. What is the question? Circle divided into region R1 and R2. It means this is R1 smaller sector and the bigger sector is R2. But common sense, if this small sector theta, and if I want to find the largest sector, so this angle is common sense. In degrees, we say 360 minus theta, but because we are doing top to top of circular measure, we have to keep in a radian. So this is called 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi minus theta. I hope so. This part is okay. What is said here, important thing, the perimeter, this region, this is the most important line. If you understand this line, topic is easy. The perimeter of the region R is equals to length of the major arc AB. Issue is you don't know what is a major arc. I repeat again, whenever you go from A to B, we have two paths. Path number one from here till here. This is called shorter path. This is called minor arc. But if I have a from longer path, this is called major arc. I hope so you're understanding. So this is called major and this is called minor. I hope so this idea is very, very clear. But still, if I need a major or minor, both option S is equals to R theta is my formula to find the arc length. But problem is if I need a major, I will use this angle. If I have minor, then I will use this angle. This is an important thing. And rest, radius is same. So only matter of theta. So I hope so. Plan is very, very clear. So first plan is clear. Now I'm going to plan start. So perimeter of R1. So perimeter of R1. If you see I did make a second separate diagram. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. Inshallah. So I make this separate diagram here. This is a not good way of okay making. Now okay. This is because radius is not given the question at all. I assume myself R, and throughout the topic as R. So theta here, this is A letter, this is a B letter, and here O. So this is called minor. Now I talk about the major. Major, if you talk about the major, so we have this kind of diagram. So this is again A, again B, this is again O, but this angle I will give the name 2 pi minus theta. I'm sure you know what is the trick. Why you will feel the topic easy when I'm doing reason I make extra diagrams. So you must have this habit to get a success on these kind of questions. So let's start. So he was saying perimeter of R1. So perimeter of R1 is not a hard job at all. Let me in different color I write here R1 and this is called R2. So let's start. So R1 perimeter is actually, if you check it carefully, so R O B like BLO AB arc length. So if I add them all, so let's start. First of all, I write formula. Formula is what? According this formula, this line I'm going to write here. So get ready. Formula is perimeter of R1 is equals to major arc length, major arc AB. So now perimeter of R1, if I talk about left side, so simple, three things we have. Okay, best idea, I write formula, then you can understand better. So radius OB plus OA and plus AB arc length. This is a plan of action. And what is a major arc? Only major arc. It did not ask about the perimeter, only major arc. And then R theta. I'm looking for AB, but major, the longer one. So OA is a radius plus what is arc length formula? All of you know formula is S is equals to R theta. R is R and theta is theta, so they are same. So just write R theta. But in the case of major arc, we have a different scenario. Angle is different, radius is same. So R theta, theta is 2 pi minus theta. Now I have to just simplify. R plus R give you 2R plus R theta, and this R multiply inside, or you just keep outside, better, no problem, because I can cancel R from both ends. R common from the left hand side. So I hope so up till you're not getting any issue algebra. And now I'm rubbing, so I'm erasing the from both end, radius and radius cancel, and ultimately I got 2 plus theta is equals to 2 pi minus theta. Because this theta should come here and 2 go on the other end. So it's again a simple algebra. So theta plus theta is equals to 2 pi minus 2. So this becomes 2 and 2 common from here. I got pi minus 1. To divide, and alhamdulillah, fi rabbil alameen, I proved my target. So only nothing hard, only how to start, that is important only, and how to get this 2 pi minus theta. Rest is a very, very easy job. So I have finished this first part, and then I go for the area of the R1 is 30. Take a screenshot up till now. Otherwise, I will erase it and I'll go for the other part. So let's go for the part number 2. I erase the previous part so I can write easily. Part number 2, what is the question here? He said that the area of the region R1 is 30 centimeters square. It is given. So it means that this is the 30 is that this area of this region. Okay. So 30 is given this area. And he asking that give me area of the R2. So this major sector area is my task. Okay. Now, actually, 30 is helping us. Theta we have. Theta we have. You see? Theta value we have. It means only problem is radius. So this 30 will help us to get the radius. So let's start. Because 30 is given for R1, so I'll start my question from R1. So let's start area of sector. Area of sector R1 is 30. And what is the formula? Half R square theta. And what is this 2 goes there, R squared. Theta value is pi minus 1. This 2 multiply on the other end becomes 60. This full constant will go divide because pi is constant, R1 is constant. So no tension at all, 60 by pi minus 1. So R is coming root of 60 by pi minus 1. Either you keep as it is, no change at all. Okay, best idea, keep as it is. Or another option we have. What is another option we have? That best idea, if you want to keep as it is for accuracy, better. Otherwise, we can write the answer, but a long. Long means 5.2930 or 31 also acceptable. Minimum 4 dp, my opinion. So what is my target? To find area of the R2, this region. So, and make sure the theta angles change. Theta angles, not the theta. We have 2 pi minus theta. So now I'm talking about the area of the R2. So area of R2. Formula is a half R square theta. For your knowledge, R square is this. Why, sir? Because for minor or major, R remains same. So half R square theta. So either use this value in the place of R or use this value. No problem at all. But I use the root one, 60 over pi minus 1 and whole square. And theta value, interesting. Theta value is 2 pi minus theta. So in the big bracket, 2 pi minus theta. Okay, what story here? Half into 60 over pi minus 1. Why, sir? Because root cancel with the pi. Sorry, root cancel with the square root. Gone. Here, I'm going to write the 2 pi as it is. But what is the theta value? Theta value is this. So I'm writing here and I open the bracket minus pi and hold on. And this minus into minus become plus 1. So I'm sure. And what this is 30 by pi minus 1. Okay. And here you got a pi plus 1. So if you need, if sometime the examiner asks you in the form of pi, then you have to give exact answer, which is this. because I want to cover all end. Sometime examiner ask you give answer in terms of pi, then you have to leave as it is. Okay. Otherwise, let me type. And what is answer coming? Pi plus 1 in the numerator and divided by pi minus 1 in the denominator. And answer is coming 58.0165. But we write always because it's not stopping, it's continuing forever, recurring numbers. Because pi, whenever pi involved, you get a recurring numbers. So then we have to write 3SF every time. 3SF means I don't want. Which I want to eliminate. If bigger than 4, then we add. If not 4, then we never add. So no need to add because it is a 1 only. So leave as it is or even eliminate 0 even. So 58 unit centimeter square is our answer. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.